Splash Mountain and Audrey's so scared. I think we're gonna have fun. You think we're gonna have fun?
Yeah.
Who's gonna get more wet, me or you?
You.
Alright, find out after this.
Wait.
Alright guys, we're up
freaking
next.
out.
Are you ready for this?
No.
Here we go.
Arms, feet, and legs inside a rock, and be sure to wash your kids. Have a zippity doo-dah ride.
Here we go.
Arms, feet, and legs.
Splash Mountain is one of the rides that Disneyland has seamlessly blended the dark rides with their thrill rides. So while part of the ride is the climbs and then of course the drops, there are other parts that take you through Song of the South, and you kind of see some of the characters and you hear the songs that everyone's familiar with, Zippity Doo Dah. It's just a nice relaxing ride at parts, except for that one big drop. You definitely do not want to go on Splash Mountain if you don't want to get wet. I don't necessarily recommend it in the wintertime because the water is very cold, but it is a lot of fun, and it is truly a thrill ride.
Here we go.
Part of Splash Mountain that Audrey actually thought was the creepiest, between the little rabbit being cooked on the left and then the climb to the top. I mean, this is the one you know that you've reached the point of no return. This was when she said it was the scariest. And then the drop.
Did you like it?
After the thrill of that massive drop, you kind of go through this last little part of Song of the South, and this is actually the part that you see when you come through on the train that we showed you in the previous episode. We'll put a link to that down below. So this is the part that you see when you go through on the Disneyland train, and you can hear the song playing.
And that was Splash Mountain.
Oh, baby.
My pants are soaking wet from the rain.
Indiana Jones and the Temple of the Forbidden Eye is one of the rides that Disneyland had anticipated having long lines for, so they made sure to make the queue as interesting as possible so that you wouldn't be bored to death while you were waiting in line. So there's lots of things to see here. There's different things written on the wall, and you can use the Disney Play app to try and download to decode some of these hidden messages. There's the different archaeological sites, and there's stuff that says do not touch. When at Disneyland, if it says do not touch and it's not like an official sign, always touch.
Alright, so for those of you who've been wondering how they know the wait times, they give individuals that are getting on the ride these cards, and somehow they use these cards to mark the line so you know how long the line is. It must be they measure the number of people between them, or how long it takes for them to get from the beginning of the line to the end of the line. I'm not exactly sure, but I've always wondered what these were for.
Nothing says Disneyland quite like the Mad Hatter's Tea Party ride. This is one of those rides that's great for kids of all ages because you have a little bit of control over how fast it goes. So while you're on the ride, the teacups spin around a little bit, but there's also a disc in the middle of the ride that you can rotate to make your cup spin faster if you want. They say that the purple cup is the fastest cup on the ride, so if you want to go fast, look for the purple cup. Funny story about this particular ride, our oldest was the one that was afraid of going fast while the little ones wanted to spin it faster. The little ones had so much fun that we actually wound up taking them on it more than once, and I think it'll be one that we wind up going on many times in the future.
I'm just kidding, folks. We don't clean the seats. On the Jungle Cruise, anybody's first time? Anybody's last time on Jungle Cruise? Anybody's last time? Waiting on those 3 magic words.
For some reason, we only use like...
As we get today. For your safety, please remain seated. Please keep our hands, arms, feet, legs inside the vault. And we'll both wave goodbye to it together.
Oh, Audrey, really? Ew, Audrey.
Oh yeah, folks. I forgot to tell you about that mist. Don't let it touch your skin. You'll find out in 24 to 48 hours why. We are now entering an ancient Cambodian shrine built by ancient Cambodian Shriners. Wow, folks, look at that. A 500-pound Indo-Chinese tiger. Watch out for Ginger. Ginger snaps. Take all those. Did you know most elephants can grow up to 4 feet? Almost humans can only grow up to... boy. Oh no, he's trying to... oh no, get down, get down, get down. Real danger. That looks dangerous. Let's get closer. Oh no, folks, the girls have taken over the camp. Looks like they've gone ape. What would they do to my Jeep? They left the engine running. Now I'll never get it to turn over. Ever again. Look at those zebras. They're so old, they're still in black and white. Oh, wow. I think they're only dangerous when they're wiggling their ears and... I believe they call that a sculpture. Then asphyxiation. Yeah, Sam says he got her for her personality. Personally, I give him a round of applause. You guys have fun? Yeah. Me too, thanks for asking.
Here we go on the Matterhorn. Ready, Boo?
I'm scared.
Here we go.
Legs inside the bobsled. Please, watch your kids. Thank you.
Permanezca sentado con el cinturón de seguridad ajustado y mantenga las manos.
Ready?
Yeah.
So what? You have to put your, you have to take the bag off? Huh? Put it where? No? You don't want this bar off?
Yeah, put your bar down.
You ready?
Another ride that we always make sure we go on as a family is the Haunted Mansion at Disneyland. We especially love to go during the holidays when they have the Nightmare Before Christmas overlay. There's so many different things to see, and we love to see the gingerbread house that they build and put in the ballroom, and the smell of it is so amazing. Even the little ones love to go on this ride with us. One thing to keep in mind with Haunted Mansion is to get your Fast Pass early. This is one of the rides that they seem to always run out of Fast Passes, and if you don't do the Max Pass, the actual Fast Pass location is kind of hidden, so you have to look for it. It's over behind the queue near the railroad station, so definitely make sure that you take advantage of the Fast Pass option and do it early, otherwise the line can get quite long. The Astro Blasters was new for us this year. This was a ride that Audrey and I had never been on, and we had a lot of fun on this ride. It's an interactive ride, so you have a lot of fun shooting your lasers at the targets and trying to get more points than your partner. So this is definitely something that's fun to go on with your little ones and just have a good time with them.
Direct your attention to It's a Small World as we celebrate the joy of the holidays and light up the night with thousands of twinkling lights. As we count to 3, we invite you to join us in wishing for peace on earth. 1, 2, 3.
One of the rides you absolutely have to check out if you have little ones is It's a Small World. With the music and the different little kid dolls, your little ones are sure to have fun, and at the holidays it's even better. They do a complete Christmas overlay, including Christmas smells. It's just so much fun, and the kids will love dancing and clapping with all the music that they see. In case the holidays weren't magical enough at Disneyland, they actually make it snow a few times at night. And this is one of the most magical things that I've ever seen, and the kids absolutely love it. They actually cause a snow flurry of gingerbread scented snow throughout Main Street and throughout the park, and this is just something you absolutely have to check out. We hope you guys have enjoyed coming along with us on our Disneyland holiday journey. We had so much fun bringing this video series to you guys, and we really look forward to bringing you a whole lot more in the coming new year. So make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe, and check us out in the future because we will be bringing you a lot more Disney content in the coming year.